Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve SEO with WordStream, detailed guide step by step clearly. To improve your SEO with WordStream, begin by creating an account on their platform. Navigate to the home page and click on the Get Started button. Once registered, access the keyword research tool available in the dashboard. Enter a seed keyword related to your business in the search bar. Analyze the keyword suggestions provided by WordStream. Focus on keywords with a balance of high search volume and low competition. Next, gather insights on your current SEO performance through the reporting tools. Review the organic search data, including rankings and traffic sources. Identify which keywords are driving traffic to your site and which are underperforming. Use this analysis to refine your keyword strategy. Now, create high-quality content around the selected keywords. Ensure your content is engaging, informative, and relevant to your audience. Apply the best SEO practices, such as using keywords in titles, headers, and throughout the text. Incorporate internal and external links within your content to enhance authority. After publishing, monitor the content performance regularly using the WordStream dashboard. Pay attention to ranking changes and traffic shifts related to your optimized content. Adjust your SEO strategies based on performance data to improve results continuously. Finally, stay updated on SEO trends and algorithm changes to keep your content relevant. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.